Hello, my name is Banatia. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting. Alright, so I just wanted to talk about how I became an energy healer and what actually brought me to this space. So it was a while ago, and I'm not going to give too much detail because, these are personal things, and even though I love you and you're my fans and subscribers and friends, just some things I want to keep, private. So I'm just going to be looking down on my note just to make sure that I don't ramble on and to just get to the point. So I was going through some things, and I was actually just looking for ways to help myself. I'm the type of person who likes to, do things for myself. The only time you'll ever get me to ask for help is when I'm absolutely desperate for it and I can't do it myself. And on top of having emotional issues, I was breaking out. My skin, I started having eczema, and it was just all over. And so I decided to just go to the library and see what books I can find that I could actually use that would be natural and would be able to help myself. And that's really what I was looking for, never mind the emotional aspect. I was just looking for something to help me with my skin because I was really embarrassed about that. In the course of looking for that book, I actually came across a different book. So the title of the book caught my eye. It was called Emotion Code. And so I'm like, Emotion Code? I borrowed the book from the library, and I decided to, take my time to read it. And in the course of reading this book, I was totally amazed. I'm like, I've got to find out about this. I've got to know, where I can get this help and what I can do. So I did more research on this book. The title again is Emotion Code by Dr. Bradley Nelson. And it turned out that he had a course. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to learn how to do this because I want to help myself. So after taking the course, part of the course was you had to practice and get comfortable with actually doing the sessions. And so I gathered all my friends and my family, and I had them go through the process with me. And it turned out that, they were really grateful for it. And so was I, because I learned a lot of different things. And after practicing for some time, my husband and I decided that maybe we could, help other people. And so that's how it came about that I became an emotion code practitioner. And the numerous people that I've helped, they have been amazed, they are happy, they are grateful, and they've talked about it to other family members and other friends, and really that's how the word goes out. And so with Emotion Code, it really deals with the emotions. And if you want to learn more about this, I suggest that you come and visit my website, www.quantumupgrade.net, and click on Emotion Code. And the next video, I'm going to talk about how I came to know Reiki. So until then, if you like this video, subscribe. That would be great. Give it a thumbs up. And as well, there's also another website that I have. It's www.quantumupgrade.com. They're both the same company, and we just have a .net and a .com. So go ahead, check us out, like our videos, ask questions, leave us a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.